mini tour. We got the city view. Pretty. Oh, my thing is like 10/10 recommend. Okay, we just got to the hotel. We just checked in, put our stuff in here. It is Saturday, March 27th, 2:49 p.m. We are in San Diego for the weekend. Why is that there? I wasn't vlogging this entire time. Our parents are coming tomorrow, coming out with us. I'm excited. I'm happy that they're coming because mom looked like she really wanted to come.
Yeah, she even said yes when I asked.
She's such a loyal wife.
You were all like zoomed in.
Oh wait, can you take a picture of me? Is this a good place to take a picture? Okay, let's go. I want to take a nap. Should I take a 20-minute nap? It's 4:48. We're gonna get ready to go out and get some drinks, and I'm meeting up with a friend. What do you mean, where's our car? So pretty. I feel like I'm already drunk. I had one tiki punch martini or something like that. I haven't drank in I think 2 months now, 2 or 3 months now. It was really good though. It tasted like juice. What? The tiki martini punch.
Oil. Hey! Ma! Bitch, I know you can hear me. Ma! Did you bring
Why would... I hope I pressed record. Okay, but yeah, that's what I did this morning. Wow. More of this in 2021.
What?
I'm vlogging. Bitch.
Why are you talking to yourself?
I'm not talking to myself, I'm vlogging. So what are you doing? I just meditated. I need to meditate again because I'm not chill right now. I look so sleepy. Okay guys, it's just the afternoon. I took a nap after I meditated and everything in the morning. This hotel was really expensive, so I'm gonna stay and enjoy this view for as long as I can. We have a reservation for dinner for later tonight. We're gonna go around the city right now and then hopefully I can vlog and take some cute pictures today. Yeah, I'm gonna do this more often. When that stimmy hit, no, I'm just kidding. I've just been in my bed, waking up and going back to sleep, enjoying the view. I was feeling kind of sick earlier. Not sick, not like COVID sick. A little bit hungover, not gonna lie. I haven't drank in 2 or 3 months. You guys know me, when I drink, I go hard. But now I'm feeling better. We're waiting for my parents to come so we could go have lunch earlier, but they decided not to come. They're lazy. You're still not ready?
Bitch, calm down.
What are you doing? Oh, I forgot what I was saying. Okay. See you guys.
Okay, I moved it for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. We'll see you later.
Okay. I moved our reservation to 8 p.m. because we're running late because some people can't get ready. Where are we going? You saw some places you wanted to go? Also, I got this thing from O'Reilly's because I don't have O'Reilly. Look at it, goes down perfectly fine. My necklace from Bula Spirit, and this is from Target.
Look at it on the camera.
Oh, and where's the bag? The blue SOOKAH bag to match my outfit. I'm the main character. Your makeup looks good.
Who said it didn't?
I didn't say it looked bad.
Look at that doggy. You stupid doggy. Look, it's Mariah. Wow. Mariah Ratu. That's you.
It's a cute doggy.
But Mariah Ratu
That's such a cute doggy.
Yeah.
Holy shit, you're here.
What do you want?
Can I get this chocolate one? The garden rose?
Strawberry?
Yeah.
You get the strawberry. Yeah.
Anything else for you today?
I don't know. Apparently, they come with no sponges.
Oh my god, wait, it's hot.
Yeah, it takes this.
I thought it was a shot.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
It's a shrimp burrito.
Korean barbecue. Popcorn chicken. Let's try it. Oh, I like this. It tastes like orange chicken. Damn, we should have came here earlier in the day.
You think?
Only some of us woke up earlier.
I woke up.
I'm not gonna blame anyone.
Yvonne. We here?
Is this the lobby? Let's just go. Why are we here?
It always takes us here.
Are we at the wrong place?
It's like this way. Is that?
Okay, the pool closes at 10 p.m. but we're gonna try to swim for like 30 minutes. His family came in the elevator and the little girl was like, "You look really pretty." On our way to the pool. This is the first time we're actually here at the pool. And it's Sunday.
What are we doing here? She's like, yeah, I'm busy.
Is this the place you're talking about? Outfit of the day. Crocs, white shorts, little boy club, t-shirt.